Hey there, saxophone friends. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this clip. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to clean your saxophone. Now, this is very quick. I don't want to take much time, so let's get right to it. Okay, here's the situation. You just got done playing a concert or gigging with some friends, practicing with some friends. Maybe you just practiced for 3 hours or so. Now it's time to break your saxophone down and put it away. Now I've seen saxophone players over the years just take it apart, put it in their case without any cleaning at all and walk out the door. I'd hate to see what their saxophone looks like on the inside if they don't clean it very often. It's a very good idea to clean your horn after every time you play it because there's a condensation that gets built up on the inside of your horn and it can get really grimy and yucky and gooey. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your horn in depth. First step is to separate the neck from the body of the horn and then separate the mouthpiece from the neck. As you set your mouthpiece aside, to clean your neck, you can find, they sell these things on Amazon. It's a cleaning cloth with a string attached to it, and on the other end of the string is a weight. So if you put that weight inside the neck of the string, it comes out the other side, and then you simply pull this string and the cloth goes through the neck of your instrument there and cleans it out. And I usually run that through about 2 times. Step number 2 is cleaning your mouthpiece. So after we separate the reed and take the ligature off, we do the same thing. We take that same cloth, the string and the weight, and we drop that little weight down there. We pull it through our mouthpiece and it cleans it. And I do that about 2 or 3 times as well. And then we get to the big part of the horn, the body of the horn. And so you can find, again, it's a little bigger, but it's a string with a weight on the end, specifically made to clean instruments, the saxophone and stuff. And you drop that little string with the weight down the body of your horn, and you maybe have to stuff some of the cloth in there. Then you dip it upside down, and you should be able to reach up inside the bell and grab it. Yep, there it is. And you can see as I pull on one side, it comes through the top on the other. And I usually do that also about 2 times. So in review, to clean your saxophone in depth, you take the string with the weight and you run it through the body of the horn a couple times. And you take another, maybe a smaller one or even the same one, string with the weight, and run it through the neck and the mouthpiece. And then you put your horn away and it's all clean.